Here I go again. I will sing the same old song. But yet it is not the same old song. It cannot be. Manu says, there is nothing new under the sun. And he is right. And Heraclitus says, you cannot step in the same river twice. And he is right too. Existence is old and new both together. And my song is that of existence itself. I am just a vehicle to sing it to you, to spread it to you. But I am not the singer. I am just a passage. Remember it. It may look the same, but yet it is not the same. Words may be the same. The appearance may be the same. But something vital goes on continuously changing. Have you ever come across the same morning again? Have you ever seen the same sky again? And yet the sky is the same and the sun is the same. Manu and Heraclitus both are true together. Taken separately, they both are false. Life is a contradiction. Life is paradoxical. And that's why it is so charming and so beautiful. It exists through the opposites. It is vast. It contains contradictions. It is new and old both. It is life and death both. Together. So I say to you, I will sing the same old song, and yet it is not going to be the same. Listen attentively. Before we enter into the words of mystic poet Kabir, it will be good to know something about Kabir. Much is not known, fortunately. Because when you know too much about the person, it creates more complexities to understand him. When you don't know anything about the person himself, then there is less complexity. That's why in the East it has been one of the most cherished old traditions not to say much about the mystics, so that it never hinders people. We don't know much about Krishna and we don't know much about Buddha. Or all that we know about them is more mythological than historical. Not true, fictitious. But about Kabir, even fiction does not exist. And he is not very ancient, yet he lived in such a way that he has effaced himself completely. He has not left any marks. Only politicians leave marks on time. Only politicians are that foolish